Yo guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Max gave me Yeti and he got Kitsune, but his sister made him eat pain. So Max don't have Yeti. I mean Kitsune anymore. I'm just spamming. I'm a Yeti spammer. I'm cringe. Hey bro, take this. I missed. And I'm lagging. Kaboom! Take that! Bam! I'm so close to third C. I need 20 more levels. Okay, take that, buddy. Let me turn off the background music, guys. Boom, bop. Bro, hey. Kaboom! Bang! Kaboom! Bop, bop, boom. Wala po sa akin. Na kay Papa po. Okay. I need 19 more levels. Let me see if the Tidekeeper is here. Or if he is about to spawn. Yo, what is that? Look at here. That's so weird. Yeti eyes. Kaboom! Oh. A diamond chest, yes. Oh, and guys, by the way, I got Ghoul Race. Look at that. I finally got Ghoul Race. I'm just checking my bounty. So guys, I'm gonna make a video about me getting to the third C. So this is just to show you guys I'm almost close. I'm not flexing, by the way. So guys, bye bye.